Welcome, my name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at how to delete rows within an Excel spreadsheet. More specifically, we'll look at the method of using Ctrl- as a way to do that. We'll then examine a couple other ways to delete rows within Excel, and then you'll be on your way. So let's get started. All right, I'm gonna open up Excel. We have Excel open. This is gonna be so much fun. You'll really enjoy it. If not, I'll just enjoy it and you can suffer through it. But in any case, if we want to delete rows, first let's create a couple of rows that we want to delete. We're going to do this by selecting the row and then pressing Ctrl Shift +. We'll do this a few times. So now we have lots of rows that we really need to delete. The first way that we could delete a row would be to select that row, and then once we've selected that row, we could go ahead and press the Control key and the minus sign. Once you have a row selected and you press Control-, it would delete that row. Control-, it would delete that row. So if we have a row here, and this row is basically telling you to delete, it's being very polite, you could come here and you could select that row. You could come here and you could click delete. Alternatively, if you had a row here, you could come and you could go click this button to the right of delete. You go to delete row. Alternatively, when you have a, we'll say number 3, when you have a row here, you could select that and you could go to Alt-Home-D and then delete row. So that's at least 4 methods to delete something. We'll then look at a 5th method, which we kind of looked at earlier, of selecting the cell, or rather this row, right-clicking, and then going to delete. So in review, if we wanted to delete individual cells, let's just take some contents, copy it, and paste it down here. We want to delete these individual rows. One way to do this would be select the row and do Control-, that would delete it. We can make sure that row is selected and then come up here and click delete. We can make sure we don't actually have to have the row selected, but we would click the button to the right and we say delete sheet rows. We can right click and then go to delete. Or alternatively, the final method that we looked at would be to press Alt-Home-D and then R. Just a final note, if you wanted to delete multiple columns, you could do that, or multiple rows, you could do that by selecting those individual rows and then say use the keyboard shortcut Control-. It would delete more than one row at once. In our next video, we'll look at how to quickly and efficiently delete columns within Excel, and I look forward to seeing you in that video. As always, thanks for watching.